All right, guys, so we are here with Diana. She is the proud owner of this 1968 Ford F100, and this has an epoxy bed liner, something I've never seen before. Diana, tell us a little bit about it.
When they started coming out with the epoxy tables, my husband was at a quandary as to what to do with the bed. So I talked to a gentleman who sold various kinds of wood, and it took us a while to find two pieces that actually mirrored each other. And then it was a trial and error trying to find the epoxy to match the paint. I think that whole process took actually a few months.
Oh, wow.
And then there's, I think Wayne said approximately 6 coats of epoxy, and then 4 or 5, give or take, coats of clear on top of that.
Who picked the color green? Was that the original color of the truck?
No, it was not. I actually picked the color.
It was a good pick. It's just like Hulk green.
And that's what everybody wants to call the truck, Hulk.
Yeah,
all his buddies were like, you have to name it Hulk.
And you guys did a truly awesome job at matching the swirls and the color. I know you said that you wanted the whole thing to lift.
I wanted it to lift, but the bed actually, with all the epoxy and the wood, we were afraid that if we actually did that it would actually crack in half.
Oh.
So
yeah, so too heavy.
We just left it be the way it is.
I tell you what, it is beautiful. Your husband did a great job. You guys have a beautiful truck. Thank you so much for meeting with us.
Thank you.
Is there anybody you want to give a shout out to or say hi to or anything?
Hi, Mercedes. Just want to say hi. Hope you're doing well.
All right. Hope you're doing good, Mercedes. Take care, and thank you so much.